Hello and welcome to this Esoteric D-700 DAC. I've done plenty of videos about P700 transports, even P500 transports. I've never done one about that. I've never seen one of those before. As you see, there's not much to see on the front panel. A power switch and source selector, which has a very nice feel to it, and a couple of Toslings, couple of SPDs at the back for inputs, and it's only single-ended, so it's RCA's there for the output. Only tells you the sampling frequency, which is 44.1, and the fact that it's operating, so the display is not very elaborate. And the DACs are, I have to use the word only yet again, 20-bit DACs. These are these analog devices, 1862. They're very good chips, but of course you cannot do 2496 or even higher. But you know, if for playing CDs, this is still very good. They got many boards in this. The power enters at the bottom. There's a board sandwich there, which is just a filter board. Then it goes to the switchboard, then it goes to transformer, and back to another power board there, which does the 8-volt supply. My job was to convert it from 100 to 240 volts. But I don't think I'll be doing this. There isn't an easy way, and one will have to replace the transformer with a couple of different ones. Not that it's such a big deal, but it's time consuming to find them and install them, and remove that one. So solder all the wiring. Maybe the owner will do it himself. There's just 14 volts going there, and that provides power to the DAC. And you can see nice copper rails. There's minus 12 ground and plus 12, just like in Sony's. And then the second 8-volt AC goes to that other power board there. What more can be said? Typical esoteric fashion. Stickers on some chips and capacitors. These are Nippon Chemicon, the rest are Panasonics. Not too many regulators, 4 here, 2 on the bottom, so it's 6. I suppose that's adequate. It's just a DAC. Well, that's about it. Sadly, it has some blemishes here on top, and some scrapes has been hit. They can be polished off. That probably takes 15 minutes of polishing the top, and that will take a good half an hour of polishing very fine sandpaper and just going sort of one way. And it's a nice break here, so everything else can be masked and just work on that square or rectangle. And but there's a lot of elbow grease, and nobody will want to pay for it. So here it is. Very nice unit, and that's all I can really say about it. Thank you very much, until the next one.